Tetzei. Chachamim tell us that everybody has its own name hinted in Torah. Some place in Torah there is a hint in your name. Now, what does that mean? That means to say that the Torah is the destiny of Kahal Israel. Just like every word of Torah, every letter of Torah brings us to the destiny, brings us to purpose and goal. Every neshama of Kahal Israel also takes us, brings out that completion that has to bring out for Kahal Israel, and all together bring the completion. They were just like every letter, every word in Torah brings the shlemut, brings the completion. Every neshama brings, and every neshama is hinted in Torah. Gaon Mivilna, such a great tzaddik, the one that he lived by 400, 500 years ago, but he was like a Rishon. He was respected by everybody. He finds his hint in Torah. Where is it? Unbelievable. We would have thought his hint is in very sacred service of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, on Yom Kippur, on Korbanot, on something very sacred. But his remez is in this week Parashat. When Torah talks about when you do business, be honest in your business, and you should not have in your pouch even by even, way and way, stone and stone, gedula getana, bigger and smaller. In other words, you could buy with this smaller way, bigger way, and sell with the smaller. Don't do that. This measurement has to be complete. The way of full and honest should be for you. When you do business, be honest. Even small measurement, be honest. Even Shlema is Perek Chafhe, Pasuk Tetvav. The Gaon Mivilna says, Even Shlema is Eliyahu ben Shlomo. That's the remez of Gaon Mivilna. What do we learn from it? What made Gaon to be Gaon? What made him to be such a great person? Not the mikveh that he went, not the suhar that he learned, not the kedusha tahara that he did. What made him to be great? Even Shlema, because he was an honest person. He was honest in business. He was honest how to deal with other people. That honesty, that integrity got him to the place that he is. We see from here, there are master keys in the world. There are master keys. Once the person captures the master key, he could open all of the doors. The Gaon Mivilna, all of the gates of secret of Torah got open to him. Why? Because he was an honest person. Even Shlema, when he did business with other people, his way was full and righteous and honest. But you see the honesty, integrity. The man of Elul is the man, we say tzlichot, we daven, we pray. Don't forget, the greatest vehicle, the greatest device to take us to HaKadosh Baruch Hu is honesty and integrity. The last tefillah le'ilah, when we daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we say, Hashem, please listen to our tefillah, because our hands are not involved in being stealing from other people, taking money from other people. That's the last tefillah that we end up with, because that is the most important point. That's the most important zechut. Therefore, God got to be what He is through being even Shlema, a complete and honest way to do business, and that through that he became whatever that he became.